Sitting tara manga leikadaba Parliament ki ningtham mifam ngasidagi haukhre mifam asigi matangda Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijijuna session ase lakliba December tara mapan fawba chathagani punna sitting tara manga leigani masigi manungda legislative business tara humdoi amasung financial business ama puthokani masigi manungda Manipur Goods and Services Tax Second Amendment Bill English singaniga kunga manga amasung Central Excise Amendment Bill English singaniga kunga manga yauri Parliament ki chanabi matungina ngasidagi hauriba session asigi mangoinana ngarang all political party ki mifam amasu pangthokre ngasidagi hauriba Parliament ki ningtham mifam asida SIR air pollution amadi Delhi blast ki matangda house ta khanagadabani haina opposition ke parties singna center lengak ta takshin bahokre Lok Sabha ge Congress ki deputy leader Gaurav Gogoina BJP na luchungba NDA ki lengak asena democracy bu muthatnaba Parliament ki functionary bu nakala morom da puthokna bahona ba made parliamentary tradition sing leinung da fumjin na bahona riba se ningtham mifam asida thengnagani amadi issue sing khanna ba takshin gani haiki